In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a workflow in n8n. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive into the process. Deleting a workflow in n8n may sound a bit complicated at first, but I promise you it's quite straightforward once you get the hang of it. The first thing you'll want to do is to archive the workflow you plan to delete. So go ahead and head to your n8n dashboard. You'll either find yourself in your Overview tab or the Personal tab, whichever you prefer. Look for the workflow that you want to remove from your workspace. Once you've found it, notice the three dots icon located on the right side of that workflow. And from the drop-down menu that appears, select the Archive option. This action won't permanently delete the workflow just yet, but it does move it out of your active workflows list. Next, we need to reveal your archived workflows so we can proceed to delete the one we just archived. To do that, you'll want to go to the URL address bar at the top of your browser. At the end of the current URL path, append this little sneaky addition: show archived equals true. After adding that text, press Enter. This simple change will refresh the page and allow you to see all of your archived workflows. Once the page reloads, you should see your archived workflows now listed. Locate the specific workflow that you want to permanently delete. Just like before, click on the three dots icon next to it. This time, however, instead of archiving it, you'll want to select the Delete option. Remember, this step is irreversible, so make sure that you truly want to delete this workflow. After you select Delete, a confirmation dialog will pop up, asking if you're certain about deleting this workflow. It's your last chance to back out if you're having any second thoughts. If you're sure, go ahead and click Yes, Delete. And voila, that workflow is now permanently gone. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to delete a workflow in n8n by first archiving it, revealing your archived items, and then proceeding to delete. It's a handy little process that ensures you can manage your workflow list more effectively without clutter. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel for more tutorials just like this one. Managing your work in n8n doesn't have to be daunting, and I am here to help simplify the process for you.